So you just got hired as a full-stack developer. Congrats. That means you're now the proud owner of every bug from the top of the UI all the way down to the deepest, darkest corners of the backend. And if the CI pipeline breaks, yeah, that's your job too. Oh, and the design needs tweaking? You've got Figma, right? Being full stack today isn't just about knowing both front end and back end. It's about being a one-person dev team, DevOps included, with a splash of product manager and maybe even part-time therapist for your own burnt-out self. The term full stack sounds empowering, but let's be honest, it's become shorthand for do everything because we don't want to hire more people. Companies love it because they get one person doing the work of three. You end up styling a button in one tab while debugging an auth token in another and trying to figure out why staging is yelling at you in base 64. This isn't about being versatile, it's about being stretched too thin. Context switching destroys productivity. You're constantly shifting gears, from front end to back end to DevOps and back. That kills your focus and leads to duct-tape solutions. Instead of writing clean, scalable systems, you're just trying to keep the whole thing from collapsing before the next sprint demo. And let's talk about technical debt. When you're rushing to ship every layer of the stack yourself, you start making deals with the code devil. Quick fixes. To-dos you never come back to. Legacy decisions made at 3 a.m. that are now embedded deep in the project like cursed runes. The result? A modern codebase that looks polished on the outside and is a total house of cards underneath. The burnout is real. You're not just a developer anymore. You're QA, system admin, DevOps, product consultant, and part-time psychic trying to guess what future bugs might haunt you. It's unsustainable. Even the industry is slowly waking up. More companies are hiring dedicated front-end and back-end roles again, realizing maybe, just maybe, no one person should do 5 jobs at once. Now, to be fair, full stack has its place. If you're solo building a product or working at a small startup, it can be empowering. You move fast, you learn everything, and you can ship a whole product on your own. But at scale, it's a trap. Expectations balloon, quality drops, and your soul quietly exits your body during your 5th emergency deploy of the week. Being full stack shouldn't mean full stress. It's time we stop treating it like the Holy Grail and start treating it like what it is. A tool, not a lifestyle. Thank you for sitting through another dumb tech rant. And if you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to become a fellow codehead. Oh, and maybe you could perhaps buy me a coffee? That would be much appreciated. Links in the description. See you in my next rant.